Margazhi month, 5th day, Tirupavai Pasuram, 5th one. மாயனை மன்னு வடமதுரை மைந்தனை தூய பெருநீர் யமுனை துறைவனை ஆயர் குலத்தினில் தோன்றும் மணிவிளக்கை தாயை குடல் விளக்கம் செய்த தாமோதரனை தூயோமாய் வந்து நாம் தூமலர் தூவித் தொழுது வாயினால் பாடி மனத்தினால் சிந்திக்க போழ பிழையும் புகுதருவான் நின்றனவும் தீயினில் தூசாகும் செப்பேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். In this Pasuram, Sri Andal refers Kannan, Sri Krishnan, as Vadamadurai Maindan, one who was born in Vadamadurai, one who played and spent his childhood along the river Yamuna, and one who was like a beautiful light, and she refers him as Damodaran. When he was very mischievous, Yashoda tied him with the martyr. So, around his waist, the impressions of rope which is used to tie him is seen. So when we say Damodaran, that refers to the childhood portion when Krishna was very mischievous. And she says, here she talks like one of the Ayarpadi girls, because there's a conversation between the girls. So one is saying, we are doing so sincerely and we are making the puja so elaborately, and we are all sinners. Don't our sins become obstacles in completing our puja? Will it be answered? Our puja will be answered. So the other one says, so Andal assumes her as one of the Ayarpadi girls, and she answers, if we keep Damodaran, that is Sri Krishna's name, in our heart and sing in praise of him, all our sins will be moved away, will be washed off. And even if we do any sins in future, that will not stick to that body. It will be like a water on the lotus leaves. So if we think of him, if we sing in praise of him, that will be helping us to complete the prayer. So this is what Andal as a Ayarpadi girl says through this Pasuram. Today's temple is Kolavilli Ramar temple at Thiruvelliyankudi. This Thiruvelliyankudi is located near Kumbakonam. From Kumbakonam, we have to go to Cholapuram. There, the place called Anaikudi. From there, at the distance of 5 kilometers, you find this temple. This is also a Netra Kshetram. This temple is one of 108 Divya Desams. This very old temple. This temple is connected with 4 yugas. In Satya Yuga, it was called Brahmaputra. In Treta Yuga, it was called Parasharam. In Dwapara Yuga, it was Saintranagaram. In Kali Yugam, Bhargavapuram. This temple is associated with Vamana Avatara. And this is the Parigar Sthalam for Chukra Dosham. Those who are affected by Chukra, one of the planets, you can pray here. Here, Moolavar's Tirumeni is Varna Kalaba Tirumeni. It's made of Sudai or plaster. And has been completely decorated with beautiful, appropriate colors. Here, the main deity is Ramar. He keeps his eyes open and he is in Sainakolam, and he lifts his head little up and looks out. It looks as if he is looking for bhaktas. And when you look at the Moolavap, you find he is looking at you only, and you feel, you get mesmerized. So such powerful eyes, such beautiful eyes, the eyes with mercy, the eyes with lot of love towards bhaktas. Here Indra, Markandeya, Brahma, Shukracharya, Mayan, Parashara had darshan of Perumal. They all did penance here and had the darshan of Perumal. Uchavar Murti is called Singara Sundarar, and he is with Sri Devi and Bhudevi. And here the Tayar is Maragadavalli Tayar. There is a lamp which is called Tunga Vilak, the lamp which is from the ceiling, it hangs from ceiling, that is called Tunga Vilak. This Tunga Vilak burns throughout, non-stop. So that is a special feature here. And if you have any eye related problem, you can pray here and you become all right. So people, the bhaktas, offer oil for the lighting lamp. So with the contribution from bhaktas, the priest sees that the lamp is always is on. So this is one of the important features here. And Thirumangai Alvar performed Mangalasasanam. He visited here and he sang songs in praise of the God. Sthala Purana of this temple is connected with Garudalvar. Garudalvar here is called Chadurpuja Garudalvar. He has 4 hands and he carries Changu and Chakra in 2 hands, which is very rare. We don't find Garudalvar with Changu and Chakram in any other temple. Another important feature is he keeps his one leg in kneeling position, the other leg stretching backward. That shows he is always ready to carry Perumal. He is waiting for Perumal's order. This is also very rare. The story behind this is Garuda requested Perumal to appear as Ramar. Perumal always likes his bhaktas, devotees, and he is ready to do anything for devotees. So here Perumal agreed to give darshan as Ramar. So he gave his conch and chakra to Garuda. That is why Garuda holds Changa and chakra here. And Perumal as Ramar carries bow and arrow here. Garuda called Perumal, that is Ramar, as Kolavilli Ramar. There is another Purana connected to this. This temple is associated with Vamana Avataram. So in Vamana Avatara, Vishnu came as dwarf. So he was just 2 feet and he went to Mahabali's palace where Mahabali was doing yajna and he was ready to do anything for the people. There is whoever asked anything would be getting that from Mahabali. So Vishnu as Vamana went to Mahabali and asked 3 feet of land. The king looked at him and he thought, he is only a small boy, 3 feet is nothing for me. Then Vamana revealed himself. He raised himself to a very tall figure as Thiruvikraman. So one leg was used to measure the Bhulogam, the earth, the other one the sky. And he asked Mahabali, where is the place for the third feet? Then Mahabali said, keep your feet on my head. And Vamana did the same. He kept his feet on his head. And this avataram is mainly to remove the feeling of I from Mahabali, because Mahabali took even Indra's loka. So to get the kingdom from Mahabali, Vishnu came as Vamana. And he realized his mistake. So this is a lesson that we should not have, that I am the powerful I. Tirumangai Alvar, one of the 12 Alvars, performed Mangalasasanam here. He visited here, had darshan and sang Pasurams in praise of Ramar. There is another Purana connected with this temple. Once there was an argument between Deva's architect Vishwakarma and Ashura's architect Mayan. Both of them got into war of words and resulted in contest, testing their skills. Lord Brahma intervened and he said, Vishwakarma already constructed a beautiful temple at Tirupparkadal, which is the staying place of Lord Narayana. So to get fame and name and immortality, he is telling Mayan, you go to Karma Bhumi and seek God's grace and build a temple for him. Then Mayan came to this place, on the banks of Kaveri, and they did penance here and constructed this temple for Lord Vishnu, and he attained immortality. So we remember Mayan because of this temple today. So this is another Purana connected with this temple. This is a very beautiful, calm, serene, divine place. In all old temples, we find this vibration. So here you will definitely find this vibrating feeling. This place is very good for getting our eye-related problems cured. This is near Kumbakonam.